So as you guys know, like creating YouTube Shorts in 2025 is the best trend to follow if you want to go ahead and earn money. And if you're a guy who wants to create a YouTube Shorts, whether it's TikTok videos or Instagram Reels, but don't want to spend hours and hours in doing editing, joining clips together and all that. So yeah, today in this video, I've got a perfect tool for you, which is GEMOO. So GEMOO basically transforms your long form videos into viral worthy clips with just one click in under a minute. So all you have to do is basically just upload your long form video, and with the help of just one click is going to go ahead and convert those into viral worthy clips that you can easily edit on later and upload to YouTube, TikTok and Instagram right away. So yeah, without further ado, you guys, let's just go ahead and jump right into this video. Alright guys, so here I am in the homepage of GEMOO.com, and right off the bat you guys can see we have a very good looking interface for GEMOO.com where it says transform any video into a viral worthy clips in 1 minute. So this particular AI tool right here basically transform your long form videos into these kind of shorts, right, which are really trendy and through which you can get tons of views. And right over here we have lots of other features of GEMOO, which are auto generated captions, and we have AI generated extra footage for instant storytelling. You can create every second with eye-catching effects, which will be AI effects. So first of all, to get started, I'm going to click on Get Started Now. And this will direct me to the homepage of GEMOO, where we have a very intuitive, a very basic design. First of all, is saying AI Smart Editor, then AI Clip Maker, right? So this particular AI tool offers you various features which include one-click editing, batch one-click editing, batch queue editing, and celebrity-style videos, which you guys see a lot in short format, you guys, right? So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and take a look at these features one by one. So first of all, I'm gonna click on this AI Smart Editor, and this will ask me to input my video, which will be in a long format, which will be really raw, and through which it will generate some amazing shorts, you guys. So yeah, for that, let's just say I'm gonna go ahead and go to my file manager, and I'm gonna import this video of iShowSpeed, which he recently went to China. So I'm gonna drag and drop this right over here. And then it's going to ask me to select language. So I'm going to select English, US. You can select any other language that your video contains right over here. I'm going to click on Generate Now. So yeah, then it's going to take a bit of a time to basically process your video. It's generating what possible like short content can be formed out of this video, and through which you can go ahead and generate amazing result, amazing shot that I'm going to show you in a moment, right? All right, you guys. So my video has been generated, as you guys can see right over here. So over here, we have so many more options that you can choose from. So first of all, you can choose the subtitle of your video. That is really amazing. So I'm going to turn this on, and from here you can choose like different type of subtitles, which we have is Hormozy, Imad, Ellie, and the famous one MrBeast one as well. So I'm going to click on that, and then you can go ahead and turn on AI B-roll. So what that is going to do is basically that going to provide some B-rolls to your video, which will enhance the visuals of your video so much. Like take a look at this, right? It has basically attached the image for the particular video that you can go ahead and choose from, and then you can basically input some AI effect into that as well, right? So yeah, that would be really cool. And then we have another option of AI boost, and in that what you can do is you can attach your social media platform link. You can upload that to TikToks right away, Instagram right away, YouTube Shorts, YouTube, and the best part is you can create AI hook title, AI description, and AI hashtags for your video straight away without jumping into and like ChatGPT or any other tool. You can do that straight away in this particular AI tool, which is really amazing. So yeah, then we go ahead and take a look at this main page. So over here you can choose the aspect ratio. Let's just say if you want to go ahead and upload long form content, so you can choose 16:9. If you want to go ahead and choose like 9:16, so it's going to create these kind of 9:16 videos. You guys can see that generated the captions. And let's just say if you want to do that in the full screen, so you can click on fit, and now it's going to generate these kind of shots which will fit entirely in screen, right? So yeah, that is really amazing. So yeah, after you are done with everything, I'm going to go ahead and show you the output of this video in a second. So from here I can easily go ahead and click on export. You can choose the resolution, that will be high quality, frame rate you can choose up to 60 fps, and you know, the audio, if you want the audio you can turn this on, otherwise off. And let's just go ahead and export this, and let me show you the final outputs, okay?
Long dick. What the? What are you doing in China? Come down. The Chinese Ronaldo. Yes. What you doing to Ronaldo? Yo.
Alright, you guys. So the next feature that you can use in GEMOO.com is this AI clip maker. So this particular feature can turn your long form videos into viral worthy clips in just one click. So that's really amazing. So let's just say I'm going to go ahead and click on this. And then again, it's going to ask you to upload your video. So I'm going to upload the same video of Aisha Speed right over here and simply click on generate now. All right. So again, it's going to ask me to pick a caption template. So I'm going to pick MrBeast one once again. And the preferred shorts length, you can choose between auto, like you can have GEMOO.com like choose the auto length of your shot straight away, or you can choose like 30 seconds, 60 seconds, or 90 seconds, like how long you want your shot to be. Let's just say I click on auto, and I'm going to click on simply generate AI shots, you guys. Okay. All right, so then it's going to take like a couple of minutes to generate shots from your long form video. So let's just wait for that. All right, so here we go, guys. So now with just one click, it has basically transformed our long form video into 2 shots. So yeah, not only that, it has also provided the captions for our shot as well. Like the first one is confusion and interactions in China, and the second one is learning fun with the Chinese friends. So yeah. From here, what you can do is you can easily go ahead and edit the shots according to your liking. You can basically go ahead and change the captions. You can edit the captions straight away, provide in your caption color. You can also provide a like zoom in effect, whatever you like. You can also choose B-roll. You can add your GIF, add your image. You can generate a text overlay. Like there are so many options, so many customization that you can do. And then you can also provide like AI effect to that as well that you want to do, and also the AI boost. Obviously, you can choose the social media platform that you want to upload that, like YouTube Shorts, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. You can upload your AI hook title, AI description, AI hashtag. So there are so many options, and obviously you can also change the aspect ratio from here. So yeah, with just one click, you just have to simply upload your video. It will automatically change that into a short, and then you can customize that shot with so many options. Like the possibilities are endless, right? And in the last, if you talk about the pricing of this AI tool, that is really, really economical as well. So you can go ahead and start now for just $4.99 per month. This is a limited offer. So yeah, make sure to just click the link down in the description in order to get started with GEMOO.com. So yeah, there you have it, guys. This was the amazing exploration of this AI tool, which can convert your long form videos into shorts with just one click. So I hope you like this video, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.